Hello kids! Are you now ready to learn something new today? If you are, just prepare your self-learning module, paper, and pencil for our writing activities later. I am Teacher Zarim and I will be with you as you learn English 2 in a fun-filled and most creative way. So what are you waiting for? Come on, let's begin! As a review, how many letters does the English alphabet have? Yes, you're right! There are 26 letters. It consists of 21 consonant letters and 5 vowel letters. What are the consonant letters? Yes, you're right! B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z. What are the vowel letters? Correct! The A, E, I, O, and U. Well done, kids! You did a great job in recalling about vowels and consonants. This will be a great help in understanding our lesson for today.
Today, you will be able to, first, identify the use of a and an plus noun in words. And second, use a or an plus noun in words.
Now, I will show you something. What is flashed on the screen? Yes, you're right. It's an apple. How about this picture? Yes, it is. It's an antis. How about this one? Yes, it's a girl. How about this last picture? Of course, it's a ball. What have you noticed before each noun, apple, and antis? You've got it right! There's an article, and. What about the noun, girl, and ball? Correct! There's an article, a. We use a and an before a naming word that shows a person, animal, thing, and place. Use a when the first letter of the word begins with a consonant. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Let us practice the newly learned skill by answering Activity 1 on your self-learning module. Let's get it on! Write V if the word begins with a vowel and C if it begins with a consonant. Are you ready? Number 1. Eggplant. What's the answer? It's V. Very good. The word eggplant starts with E and it is a vowel. Number 2. Hill. Excellent! The answer is C. The word hill starts with H, which is a consonant. Number 3. ant. Awesome! The answer is V. The first letter in ant is the vowel. Number 4. Dog. Great job! The answer is C. D in dog is a consonant. Number 5. Avocado. Very good! The first letter in avocado is a vowel. Therefore, the answer is V. Well done! You did a great job! Here is another activity for you to answer.
Focus your attention in Activity 2 on your self-learning module. All you have to do is to write in the blank a or an before the naming word. Are you ready? Number 1, atis. Number 2, food. Number 3, shoe. Number 4, ink. Number 5, bed.
Let's check if you got them correctly. The answer for number 1 is an. Atis starts with the vowel letter A, so we say an atis. Number 2, a food. Right, the answer is a because F is a consonant. Number 3, a shoe. Great! A is the answer because S in shoe is a consonant. Number 4, an ink. Correct! And because I is a vowel letter. Last number, a bed. Awesome! It is a because B in bed is a consonant. Congrats, kids! You did well in Activity 2. Here is another activity for you to answer and practice.
Here is a list of words. Write the words under each category. Examples are given for you.
All right, let's check your answers. Let's keep in mind when to use the articles a and an. We will use a if the word begins with a consonant and an if the word begins with a vowel. Now, it is time for you to answer activities 4 and 5 on your self-learning module. Submit your answered module to your teacher advisor in school. be all for today, kids. Thank you for being with me throughout the lesson. This is Teacher Zarim saying goodbye and God bless.